Hello everyone! So tonight I am coming to you for Question Friday from my very messy spot in the dressing room. Basically I kind of accidentally arrived 2 hours early for tonight's show, so I thought I would do Question Friday quickly right here. First off, I just wanted to, before I get to today's question, kind of show you guys the dressing room, or the lodge as we say in France. So you can kind of see what I'm doing when I'm not at Everdeen. So here is my dressing room spot. I'm just going to turn the camera. Yeah, so here's my little spot. I'm trying to get some decent lighting on my face, and it's not really working, but it's better than nothing. Yeah, we've got all my stuff, my makeup, which I'm going to start putting on in just a moment. A little bit more makeup that was in a plastic bag from traveling, because I've just gotten off the train. This was the opening night gift that someone gave us, like photos of us during rehearsals. That's quite nice. We got another opening night gift, another card with a photo from rehearsals. And then we got the show order, just so I don't quite forget which number in the show I am. Right there. And my little dinner for after. So yeah, we're all ready to get started with the show this evening. It's quite nice, and we've got all the costumes and shoes and whatnot. So that's my little home away from home here in the lodge. We're going to start the show in about 2 hours. Fortunately, with this contract, we only have one show a night, which is very nice. It is nice to do just one show a day. But moving back towards Everdeen-related matters, let's answer a question. And today's question is from Oh, I've just clicked on it. I'm bad at technology. Okay, now I can read it again. Oh God. It's from LG4451. Hello. So the question is, well, multiple questions. The helpers live in the US. Do they have any intention of moving to France or to Paris? Are you all originally from America? Do you have siblings? Do you and Laurent have permanent plans for the future? That's a lot of questions, but thank you for that, because I'm going to answer them. So first off, the helpers, if you guys haven't noticed in some of the previous videos, the helpers are my parents, who are so lovely and helpful and come to help out with Everdeen, so they're the helpers. The helpers do live in the US. They are planning at some point to move at least part-time to France, but between now and when they're able to move is a long process of things like getting visas, selling their house, figuring out the logistics of everything. So it's a very complicated process, moving to France, or even part-time moving to France. Another thing they're thinking about, and helpers correct me if I'm misrepresenting anything, but as I understand it, another thing they're thinking about is potentially splitting their time between France and between other places. So it's just a time-consuming process. It took me 6 months of hard work when I moved to France, just to sort out everything. So yeah. And then you asked if we're all from the US. We are both, the helpers and I were born in the US. And if I have any siblings, which I do not. I was an only child and an only grandchild on my maternal grandparents' side. So yeah, I'm very much an only child, I guess. And then you asked if Laurent and I have any plans for the future. And at the moment, I mean, we're just trying to figure out how to live our lives between the three places that we live, and how to have enough time together when he's working and I'm working and I'm working at Everdeen, and it's complicated. It is not easy, but it is worth it, because you guys have seen on the channel, he's amazing. He's the best. So we're working it out, but really it kind of is just like a week to week figuring out how we're going to be together this week, or how we're going to meet up, or what's going to happen. Actually, he's coming in at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning here to the Alps, because he's got like one day off. He can come and see me here. So bless him. It's just the best. But yeah, that's the situation. So I hope that answers your questions. I'm going to attempt to keep doing Question Friday most Fridays. So if you have a question, please send me a question. I think that's pretty much it for the day. Yeah, so I'll say again to subscribe to the channel and like videos, and I will see you guys, well, I'll do some shorts between now and Monday, but I'll see you guys for a full-length video on Monday.